mental health is such a component of our well-being, encompassing emotional, psychological, and social aspects of a person's life. It influences how individuals feel, behave, and feel, as well as they handle stress, to relate to others, and make choices. Just like physical health, mental health is important at every stage of life, from our childhood to adulthood. Maintaining good mental health helps people cope with the challenges of daily life and achieve their full potential. Unfortunately, mental health issues are overlooked and misunderstood. For many people struggling with mental health illnesses such as anxiety, depression, or bipolar disorder may be ashamed or afraid to seek help due to the stigma.
This lack of understanding can lead to isolation, worsening symptoms, and even dangerous outcomes. Raising awareness and promoting open conversations about mental health can help break these barriers and encourage more